Hi dear children, a very good morning to you all. Today we are going to see chapter 7. That's your coffee cup designing forms. In this chapter we are going to see how to design our forms. Okay, now next, introduction to HTML. What are the things we are going to learn in this lesson? The first one is themes. The next, steps to add themes to the browser. Using theme browser in web page. Advantage of Coffee Cup editor. Uses of Coffee Cup editor. These are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. First one, I'm going to show you the example of web application form. Now see, this is the online railway reservation form. A design using the Coffee Cup editor. This is done using the Coffee Cup editor. Now QuickBook and Passenger. Okay, they are given you some information here. If you want to visible, if it's not visible, please refer your books for this example. The next one, themes. First, we are going to learn what is theme. Theme are a great feature that comes along with Coffee Cup web form builder. So these themes will be inbuilt in your Coffee Cup web, Coffee Cup editor. Next one, with the help of the theme, you can create a professional look for your web page. It will use to create a professional look. In order to make your web page look beautiful and then professional, we use this Coffee Cup editor. Now see, they are giving you contact us, your name and then email address, web address, comments and then submit. Now see, welcome, tell us about you. So we have given you name, address and then some other feature. This is the example for your theme. You can refer this picture in your textbook. The next one, steps to add themes to the browser. So now we are going to see how to add the theme to the browser. For that, first what you have to do, we have to click on the theme on the toolbar button. We have to click on the theme from the toolbar button. So this dialog box will appear. After that, choose a design that you want for your browser. So it has displayed lot of example from this template. You have to choose which one you want. Click OK. The next one you have to click on OK. Now see, here is your OK button. Then you can click on the OK button. Or else we can go for another way. First one, the theme browser can also be opened by going on action, apply theme. So very simple, action, apply theme. And we have some shortcut method, that is Ctrl+T. So we have 3 ways to add themes in your browser. First one is, we have to click on the theme on the toolbar button. Next one, you have to choose the design what you want and then you have to click on OK. The next step, you have to click on action and then apply theme. Or else we can press Ctrl+T. This is your shortcut method to open your theme. The next one, a reset form style. Now what is reset form style? To change the apply theme or custom theme, click this button for new theme styling. So we have done a theme. So you don't want the theme. So you can use this reset form style to present a new style. You can change the theme. The next one, browse theme image. The select theme image found on the computer folder can be opened by clicking this button. So if you save many picture, we can open that picture using this option, browse theme image. So it is used to open the saved image in your computer folder. The next one, click file, browse theme image. Import theme. Click file means it is used to browse theme image. Import theme. Click this button to import a theme to your web page. So in order to import, we can click on that. click this button to import a theme to your web page. In order to import means you all know. Import now, in order to take, okay. Or else you have a shortcut key for that, that is click file, import theme. And also browse theme image, also we have the option click on the file and then browse theme image, okay. So in this way you can make a theme to your web page. The next one, using theme browser in your web page. How to use the theme browser in your web page? For that, first we have to select the theme as Seaside by pressing Ctrl+T. So this is your shortcut, so you have to use that. From the magical element, click image. So you all know that we have some elements, okay. In that magical element we have image. Click the image, the coffee cup image will be displayed, then your image will be displayed. From there you can click on the property tab. Click on the plus button, it will be there in your image, okay. Button in the image to load your desired picture. So by this way you can load your desired picture in your web page. For that, what you have to do, we have to select the theme and then we have to press Ctrl+T. Any theme you can, here they are given you example as Seaside. You can choose whatever image you want, okay. You can choose whatever image you want and then you have to press on Ctrl+T. There you have magical element, in that you have to press on image. So you have to press on image. So the coffee cup image will be displayed and there you have to click on the property tab and then you have to press plus sign. Here they are given plus button, that you have to click this one in the image to load your desired picture, okay. The next one, open a dialog box. Open dialog box gets open. Now see, this is your dialog box. If it's not visible, please refer your book. Select the picture you want and click open. So here there will be many pictures and then you have to click on the open button, okay. After selecting your picture, you have to click on open button. An image is open in your workspace. See, now this is your coffee cup image. It is opened in your workspace. Now save and preview your page. You can save that and then you can preview, okay. These things I have shown you in a video. Now you can use that video for your reference. The next one, advantage of coffee cup editor. What are the advantages of the coffee cup editor? First one, helps to design and code your own website and web forms, okay. It is used to make your own and design your own website and web form. Helps to edit your existing website, okay. If you have already if you have an website already, you can edit that website using this coffee cup editor. Offers ready to go templates, okay. And you don't need to make a template. There will be many templates. You can just click that and then you can design your forms, which can reduce most of your designing work. So it is used to reduce your time and work. It is an easy tool for beginner coders. So it will be very easy for us, those who are first time we are doing a website. So it will be easy for us. You can publish the web forms or website you design in the internet. So using this we can publish, okay, the website in your internet. The next one, uses of coffee cup editor. Anyone can use the software to create their own website or web forms in a matter of minutes. So we can make it in a minute, okay. We can design our forms in a minute using this coffee cup editor. More than depending on an expert in the field of web development, you can finish the work on your own. So we no need to go and beg for others to design our website. We can do that using this coffee cup editor. In a world of ideas and information online, this editor will be useful to anyone who wish to post and receive information on website, okay. So it is used for us to produce and then reproduce our ideas and information online. What are the information we have? We can reproduce using this website. This is free of cost and user friendly to use. So we no need to spend more money on this, okay. It is free of cost and very user friendly. You all know what is user friendly. which app is very easy for us to use, that is called as user friendly. Okay dear, that's all for today. Your chapter 7 gets over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.